Hi everyone. In this video, I will explain you how to create a campaign. So the organization user will be creating the campaign. So I need to log in as a organization user. So now I'm going to sign in as a organization. Well, we have different menus over here: polls, users, user groups, campaigns, and ads. So I need to click the campaign menu. In that we have three sub menus. So we are going to create a campaign. So we are going to click this all campaign submenu. Well, we now currently we don't have any campaign in our list. So now I'm going to create add new campaign. So before going to add new campaign, let me explain point award and poll awards. So in my previous video of point award and poll award, that same flow is going to carry in this section also. So poll award in the sense we need to set some level of point. After that, we need to give an award name. So we need to choose a banner image for that. After that, we can save the poll point award. So before currently I have 2 point award over here. One is for 350 points, another one for 500. So for that, I given two names and two award coupons. Moving to the poll award screen. So, which I explained in the poll award creation video, we have different set of award trigger. Based on this award trigger, we are going to give different award coupons and award points for the user. So we have different types of award trigger over here. Then we can give names like burgers, soft drinks, etc. After that, we need to choose a award coupon. Then we need to save this award. So currently, I given two poll awards, like for one is for poll vote, another one is for poll comment, and we have two award coupon over here. So now I'm moving to campaign creation section. So now I'm going to create a campaign. If you want to create a campaign advertisement, we can click over this link over here. It will redirect the user to the campaign advertisement creation page. But I think we already have three different campaign advertisement for campaign view. One is here, another one, and the third one. It's all created in the screen name of campaign view. So it is enough for us now for creating a campaign by including those awards, campaign awards. So now I'm going to create a campaign by giving the advertiser name. Creator. The title was I'm going to give friendly. So the next step is point categories. So these are the point category which you are going to use for this campaign. So these categories are going to use in the different polls which comes under the name of under this particular campaign. So now I'm going to use these 2 point categories. Why I am using these 2 point categories means we have set an award. We need to look into that flow also, because we given two types of award for this. Let me clear you that also. Well, so yeah, we have created award for poll vote and poll comment. So I am going to give these 2 point categories, poll vote and poll comment. So we can use these two categories in the polls which comes under this particular campaign. The campaign name vote frenzy. So now I'm going to choose these 2 point categories, poll vote and poll comment. I need to choose the time zone. I'm going to choose Asia, Kolkata. I need to set the start date and the end date. I'm giving this today's date as start date. The end date will be I need to set for this month end. Okay. So as I said earlier, we can view the campaign advertisement over here. So now currently we have 3 advertisements. I'm going to use 3 of them. Also, I need to remind you that these advertisement will be used in the poll which comes under this campaign as the same which carries for this point category also. These are going to be used the polls which comes under this campaign. So next I'm moving to this point category. This point category will be applicable for this entire campaign. So I'm going to choose these 2 point categories. User will be achieving this 350 or 500 points. We're going to use the award which we created earlier. So let me show you that. So in that campaign, we are going to use this 2 point award. So I chosen in this checkbox, I chosen this 350 point and 500 point. So these are the point we are set for this campaign vote frenzy. So overall, once this campaign ends, we are going to give this bumper prize like something automobile or something like which belongs to this point category. So we are going to give those award for the user who achieves 350 or 500. So these are the steps we need to follow for a campaign creation. So finally, I am going to save this campaign by clicking the save campaign button. So the campaign was, we are getting the success message over here. It is campaign saved. So you can see the campaign is live on now. The campaign name is What Frenzy and the advertiser is campaign advertiser. We have a start date and the end date over here. So based on this campaign, we can create different polls by setting those point categories, those poll categories, and the campaign advertisement. We are going to use those 3 types of functionalities in the flow of campaign polls. That I will explain you in the video of campaign poll creation. Hope you understand the flow of campaign creation. Thank you for watching this video.